dumb. Not smart or showing poor judgment. It was dumb to leave the door unlocked. He made a dumb mistake on the test. Deft. Very skillful and quick. The chef made a deft cut with the knife. The carpenter showed deft work with wood. Revengeful. Wanting to hurt someone because they hurt you. He felt revengeful after being cheated. Revengeful thoughts can make people unhappy. Nudge. A gentle push. The boy nudged the door open. The puppy gave the ball a nudge with its nose. Sociable. Friendly and enjoying being with other people. She is very sociable and makes friends easily. Our new neighbor is very sociable. Morose. Very sad and unhappy. She felt morose on the rainy day. Tom looked morose after losing the game. Dilemma. A difficult choice between two or more options. I had a dilemma about which phone to buy. She faced a dilemma between two job offers. Lofty. Very high, noble or grand. The eagle built its nest on a lofty cliff. The tall tree reached lofty heights. Daunt. To make someone feel less confident or afraid of doing something. The high mountain did not daunt the climber. New challenges never daunt successful people.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!